What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to install and set up the new Cloudflare Turnstile CAPTCHA solution on our WordPress website in order to protect the login page, the comment sections, the form submissions, the shop products, okay, from spam and other hacking attacks, okay? But before I can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I'm gonna assume that you know what is Cloudflare. It's the most famous protecting and CDN solution on the web, and they recently created a new CAPTCHA solution called Turnstile, okay? So what is this? As you can see into this image, they're gonna verify if you are a human or not, okay? Just like Google reCAPTCHA, for example. And how to install and set up this on our WordPress website? Let's get this started. First of all, go to our WordPress website, okay? So we're gonna go to our WordPress dashboard, okay? Review the left sidebar of menus, and from this left sidebar, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new, okay? Into the upper right corner, in the field called search plugins, we're gonna type simple Cloudflare Turnstile, okay? So here is the plugin that we are looking for. We're gonna click on install now. Now we're gonna click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect us to this page, okay? No need to worry, we're gonna grab this information later, but to continue, you must have a Cloudflare account. It can be a free one, no need to pay absolutely anything. But after going to Google, Cloudflare, create your account, sign up or sign in with your information, you're gonna be in a dashboard almost like this one, okay? And from the left sidebar of menus, we're gonna have a look at this one into beta, Turnstile, okay? And Turnstile is a Cloudflare smart CAPTCHA alternative. It can be embedded into any website without sending traffic to Cloudflare, okay? So click on add site. Site name, type your name, okay? Now the domain, okay? Enter with the website host name or select if the existing website. This is the sandbox, so let me enter. Enter with the domain name like this, and right here we can choose the widget type. It can be managed, non-interactive or invisible, okay? The non-interactive or invisible have no problem, but the managed is the best option, okay? Because the Cloudflare, based into their AI, based into their machines, gonna choose what is best. If you need to solve a problem, like verify for a human, okay, to solving a CAPTCHA problem, or selecting it automatically for you. So keep on managed, but you can try others in the case that you prefer. Now continue, and here is what we have: the site key, the script, and the secret key, okay? First of all, let's copy the site key, go back to our WordPress website, post the site key, copy the secret key, go back to WordPress, post the secret key. Now we can choose the theme, okay? Light, dark, or automatic. Disable submit button. Custom error message in the case that you want to verify, and you can enable the turn suite on your WordPress forms. It can be on WordPress login, WordPress register, forget password, and into comments. You can choose where you want to enable. For example, into WooCommerce, cart, checkout, login page, registration page, okay? It's up to you. Now, all you have to do is save your changes. Here is the test. As you can see, it's working just fine. Now let me show you the WordPress login page, so you can some WordPress comment section, so you can review this working. Let's go to the blog, for example, and let me try to comment something. Let me log out. Now, into the WordPress login, we have the Cloudflare. Let's go to the blog. I forget that I got the comments disabled for this website, so let's choose another option. Let me apply this to my cart, maybe. Now let's proceed to checkout. As you can see, into the WooCommerce checkout, we have an automatic CAPTCHA challenge that Cloudflare gonna doing for us to protect our site, okay? Simple, easy, fast, and effective. The same gonna happen into comment section, contact form, all the things that you upload on your site, okay? All the things that you select on your site to work right here, okay? It's up to you. If you enable other kinds of plugins, you can see other options right here, but as you can see, it's simple, works for free. We can test the dark option in the case that you want. For example, let me show you. Let's select again the dark method. And here is the dark style, in the case that you prefer. It's up to your site layout, but as you can see, it's really simple to integrate both services. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below, and don't forget to check the Borderless WordPress plugin by Visualmodo in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools, and even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, and everything for free. To install this plugin, just go to our WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search for Borderless, click on install and activate it. Moreover, in the case that you want the best free WordPress theme that you can have, go to Visualmodo or go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzo WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. It gonna gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, templates, amazing customization options, advanced menu options, and shop options. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass that includes the Borderless Pro and Enzo Pro licenses, and unlock our full icons library, templates, sections, widgets, pre-built websites, and every support you need in order to build up your site, landing page, or store, or blog, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!